Today, I enjoy the dishes that appear in Japanese anime Demonslayer. The first dish is udon noodle that Tanjiro ate at Asakusa. First, cut the green onion into rings. Next, peel the yam. Grate the yam. Next, cut the seaweed with scissors. Next, boil the udon noodle. Check the udon package you have and boil it. Remove the hot water. Then, put the udon noodle in a bowl. Next, make the dashi soup for udon. Put 225 ml of water, 2.5 tablespoons of dashi stock, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce in a pot and turn on the heat. When the soup boils, turn off the heat. Pour the soup over the udon noodle. Next, put the grated yam on top of the noodle. Next, put the egg yolk on top. Next, add the green onion. Finally, put seaweed on top. The udon noodle that Tanjiro ate are completed. The second dish is kakiyage soba which Kyojiro Rengoku ate. First, make the kakiyage. Cut the spinach into bite-sized pieces. Next, peel the carrot and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Cut the burdock in thin stripes. Next, make the tempura batter. Put 1 egg and 60 ml of water in a bowl and mix it. Add vegetables and mix. Add 60 grams of soft flour. And mix them. Pour plenty of oil in the frying pan. Turn on the heat and heat the oil to 160 Celsius degrees. Put the ingredient in the oil and fry it. When one side of kakiyage is browned, flip it over. When the kakiyage is fully cooked, remove it from the oil. Next, grate the radish. Place grated radish on the kitchen cloth. Squeeze the cloth to remove moisture from the radish. Next, boil the soba noodles. Boil it for the time indicated on your soba noodle package. Use a colander to wash the soba noodles. Transfer the noodle to a bowl. Next, make the dashi soup for soba. Put 250 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of dashi stock, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sweet sake in a pot. Turn on the heat and mix it. When the soup boils, turn off the heat. Pour the dashi soup over the soba noodles. Place the grated radish on top of the soba noodle. Finally, add green onion. The kakiyage and soba noodle that Kyojiro ate are completed. Kakiyage can be made with your favorite vegetable and seafood. The third dish is bento box that Kyojiro Rengoku ate on the Infinity Train. First, make boiled eggs. Next, cut the ingredients. Cut tofu into bite-sized pieces. This tofu is called yaki tofu. Next, cut the leek diagonally. Next, cut the onions. Peel the skin of the onion and cut it into 10 mm wide. Once the eggs are cooked, put them in cold water and peel the shells. Next, make the sukiyaki sauce. Put tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet sake, and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a container and mix. Turn on the heat and spread the oil. Fry the beef. Fry the leek, then fry the onions. Add sukiyaki sauce and shima. Add eggs. Add tofu and shima. Boil them for about 10 minutes. When the eggs turn brown, turn off the heat. Next, put the ingredient in a bento box. Put the rice in the bento box. Spread the rice. Cut eggs in half lengthwise. First, put the egg on top of the rice. Next is leek. Next is tofu. Next, put the beef and onions on top of the rice. Finally, put Japanese pickles, red pickled ginger. Close the lid and wrap the box with paper. I made this paper with reference to anime. The Infinity Train bento has been completed. Do you like Japanese anime? I think Japanese animation is very interesting. Food that looks delicious often appears in Japanese anime. If you have a dish you want me to make, please send a request in a comment. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and tap like button. I'm looking forward to your comment. See you next week. Bye!